The biggest mistake I made as a portrait painter was to use the paints directly after initially outlining or sketching out the portrait. But this time I am using the old master's technique by building up the paint under the first layer, and then I will be painting the. I will create an underpainting and then I'll let it dry before building up the paint over the portrait. This will help me to lay out a basic outline so that I can build up the paint just like the old master used to do it back in the days. This is a very useful technique used in the old times, which helps the artist to determine the lights and the depths on the face. Here you can see I am only doing the underpainting. I'm not creating any kind of shades. I'm only using one paint over the dark shade which I have already painted, so that I will be able to create as much as the Venice effect as possible. This concludes the underpainting part of the tutorial. After it dries, I will do the initial shading of the portrait.